A quick reminder again, to those who haven't subscribed yet, may you please do so that we can grow as a family. The math up. Going to our question, iri kuti sine squared alpha minus tan alpha minus cos alpha, tan alpha plus cos alpha, this is equal to cos squared alpha minus sine squared alpha over cos squared alpha. Prove. Saka questions ekuprova tinofanirwa kuita attend to my respective sides of the equation, that is the left hand side and the right hand side. So chinonzi left hand side ku left kwedu, chinonzi right hand side ku right kwedu. You should know this. I believe it's either you are right handed or left handed, so you can use that mechanics to know kuti left ndeipi right ndeipi. I'm saying this because ndiri mwana mudiki. I remember kuziva kuti left ndeipi right ndeipi was one of the hardest things I learned. Okay, saka panapa what we do is tinongouya panapa toti left hand side munotonyora kuti LHS, this is maths notation, makanotoziva zvorevei, is equal to what? Sine squared alpha minus bracket tan alpha minus cos alpha, then tan alpha plus cos alpha, like that. Saka ndo left hand side. Left hand side munoinyora kusvikira pa equal sign panapa, that is side rep left. So what we want to do is toda kusimplify side rep left kusvikira rafanana ne side rep right. So chakuratidzai two methods panapa. We want to simplify side rep left kusvikira rafanana ne side rep right. So what we do is we have to remove brackets panapa, actually expand brackets. So here it's equal to sine squared alpha minus, mandaisa a boxed bracket panapa, doti tan alpha times tan alpha, tan squared alpha, tan alpha times cos alpha, this is plus cos alpha tan alpha, minus cos alpha times tan alpha, the minus cos alpha tan alpha, minus cos alpha times cos alpha and the minus cos squared alpha, like this. Saka umwe anogona kuti kundaregera kutanga ndaisa minus mukati munomu ndozodaiso zvinobuda, but it's dirty for me at least. Inini ndinowanzokutanga negative ndoisiya kunze kunoko, ndoshandisa maboxed brackets aya ndodhila naizvo, negative yozopinda munomu ichikanzela zvinhu. Saka panapa tangoita normal expansion of brackets yatakaita kuform 2 yai. Kana muchida revision yayo, you tell me, I will take you to a video I explained this. So this is equal to what? Sine squared alpha and minus, uri kuzviona here kuti cos alpha tan alpha minus cos alpha tan alpha is cancelling each other. And imwe trick yandoda kuratidza ndeyekuti pandamultiply tan alpha times cos alpha ndatanga kunyora cos alpha tan alpha, kuitira kuti pandozomultiply minus cos alpha times tan alpha ndonyora futi minus cos alpha tan alpha. Ino ndandati tan alpha cos alpha ndozoti panapa minus cos alpha tan alpha, vazhinji vedu vanogona kusazoona manje kuti zvinhu zvakafanana, saka zvofanirwa kukanzelana zvichiva zero. So I prefer kutanga nemacos kana kuti masine ndozonyora matan. That's just my way of doing things. Saka izvi zvikakanzelana izvi zvoreva kuti munomutava na tan squared alpha minus cos squared alpha, like this. So this is equal to, saka before I go anyway, panapa munogona kuisolva in any way iri comfortable kwamuri. Inini iyi nzira iyi ndo yangu. Nachigona kutanga ndaisa minus mukati munomu ndozoe multiplier. Ndogona kupa ise task kuti muone kuti zvoita here. Saka task yenyu ndeyekuti ndoda kuti muzosolva iri sine squared alpha plus minus tan alpha plus cos alpha, then rimwe bracket ringe richiva panapa riri tan alpha plus cos alpha. I think you can see kuti zvitori nekakubohwa mukati, saka ndisingazvishandise nenzira iyoyo, but mukazvisolva zvofanirwa kukupai kunoku. Saka this is just your task. Okay, so panapa teta kuti chi sine squared alpha minus times tan squared alpha takurimova mabrackets becomes minus tan squared alpha minus times minus cos squared alpha becomes plus cos squared alpha. Then tikabatanidza izvo sine squared alpha plus cos squared alpha minus tan squared alpha. But we know that identity, square identity, inoti sine squared alpha plus cos squared alpha is identical to 1. Saka you have to be flexible. Paipa tanga tichiti theta, panapa takuti alpha. It's the same thing. Ingori angle. Kureva kuti ticha replace sine squared alpha plus cos squared alpha na 1. So that 1 minus chi tan squared alpha like this. But manje tiri panapa. We also know kuti 1 minus what is tan squared alpha? Tan squared alpha yakafanana nekuti chi sine squared alpha over cos squared alpha. So it's tan squared alpha. We know kuti tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Saka tan squared alpha is equal to sine squared alpha over cos squared alpha. Taking note kuti since it is tan squared, sine should also be squared, cos should also be squared. Then it's alpha alpha. Then tada is so we can actually simplify this common denominator cos squared alpha panapa it's over 1 into cos squared alpha and the cos squared alpha times 1 inovachi cos squared alpha minus cos squared alpha into cos squared alpha d1 1 times sin squared alpha becomes sine squared alpha. Saka panapa tana cos squared alpha minus sin squared alpha over cos squared alpha kazvicherechedza muchaona kuti ndiyo ino cos squared alpha minus sin squared alpha over cos squared alpha. Saka natadaiso teta kuti this is equal to the right hand side. Therefore the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Question yati prove saka tokonotonyorera kuti proven munomu. Tapedza. Saka zvinoflowa zvinhu izvi ende zvinonakidza. You have joy from it. Zvichibuda uchinatsokuona kuti apa pa 5 marks dzangu 4 marks dzangu muhomwe. It's good. It's good. So imwe method ndada kukuratidzai yama muchigona kuita ndeyekuti manga muchigona kuti maweka mogumira panapa pakanzi is equal to 1 minus tan squared alpha. Andika magumira panapa mobva mati right hand side is equal to right hand side ndiani? The cos squared alpha minus sin squared alpha over cos squared alpha. Saka maibva mati right hand side is equal to cos squared alpha minus sin squared alpha over cos squared alpha. So zvandiri kureva ndezvekuti maisolva the left hand side andika moisiyira panapa apapa, then mobva mati right hand side moisolva futi muri kuda kuti left hand side ne right hand side zvisangane pakati. Saka there are some times yekuti ndo maitiro atinoita kuti munozvisanganisa pakati instead of kusolva left hand side ichinobuditsa right hand side, munosolva left hand side moisiyira pakati, motora right hand side moisolva monoisvitsa pakati pamasiyira left hand side zvomecha muchazoona zvichibuda. Saka since this is a common denominator cos squared alpha togona kuuya panapa toti cos squared alpha over cos squared alpha minus sin squared alpha over cos squared alpha. Saka cos squared alpha into cos squared alpha, that is 1, subtract, then sin squared alpha over cos squared alpha, and then the tan squared alpha like this. Then madaisomaimangoti therefore the left hand side yatagumira panapa mukona to underline amurambidzo like this. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Soreva kuti this is proven. So kana madaiso mabuditsa futi tomawekera atinoita. Questions kuma comments kuma numbers ancha provider, then that is it.